If you're looking at LinkedIn automation tools, two names that come up often are Salesflow and Salesforge. But which one actually helps you book more meetings and scale your outreach? Well, I'm Sam. I reviewed hundreds of sales tools, and in this video, I'll compare Salesforge and Salesflow side by side, so that by the end of this video, you'll know which one gives you more features, more flexibility, and the best value for your money. The first thing to look at is senders. How many accounts you can actually connect to run outreach with. Salesflow only lets you run one sender. That's fine if you're just testing things out, but it doesn't scale. Salesforce gives you unlimited senders. Whether it's your own account, your sales team, or even multiple client accounts, you can run outreach at a scale without paying extra. Both platforms use manual campaign setup. That means you build your sequences step by step. Connection requests, follow-ups, and conditions. When prospects reply, both Salesforge and Salesflow give you a centralized inbox so you can manage all conversations in one place. The difference is that Salesforge also drafts AI replies. It uses your company information to suggest responses, helping you reply faster and stay consistent. Salesflow doesn't offer that. Both platforms support LinkedIn and email, which is essential for multi-channel outreach. But Salesforge includes more right out of the box. 10,000 active contacts, up to 50,000 cold emails sent, 1,000 personalization and validation credits, and premium mailbox warm-up. With Salesflow, you don't get the same level of built-in resources. Also, Salesflow doesn't include a lead database. You'll need another tool to find and import leads. Salesforge, on the other hand, includes LeadsForge, where you can find lookalike leads, competitors' followers, and your ideal client with AI search. Salesforge also integrates with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and many more integrations. Salesflow connects through Zapier, which gives you flexibility but usually requires extra setup. For white labeling, both platforms offer it. Salesforge's plan also covers unlimited mailboxes, free email warm-up, and AI hyper-personalization. Salesflow is $99 per month for one sender, and Salesforce is $96 per month flat. And that includes unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach, and everything else we have covered. On price alone, Salesforce gives you more for less. So here's the bottom line. If you're running a single LinkedIn account and just want the basics, Salesflow can work, but it's still more expensive. And if you want to scale, run multi-channel campaigns, and have unlimited senders, Salesforce is the better option. And if you want to see how to actually set up multi-channel outreach to get the best results possible, that's exactly what I covered in this video. So see you there.